Thank you, David. There is only a certain amount of David Parker that anybody can take, and I think you've had 2 sessions of him, and I'll let you anticipate the next one. I'm Tony Craddock. I'm the Director General of the Emerging Payments Association. We are a thriving community of payments companies, payments technology companies who are collaborating to innovate, to change the world for a better place. And we've been doing this for a decade or so, and it's always a pleasure and a privilege to be able to chair a discussion of such esteemed and senior and experienced executives today. So don't let me down, guys. So this session is all about mass versus niche. And what is so brilliant about this is the panel represents people from Ireland, Denmark, France, Belgium, and myself from the UK. So this is really pan-European. And the theme mass versus niche is really about whether this is niche local or mass global. What I'd like to remind you is that these sessions work best with engagement from the audience. We have 50 minutes, 50 long minutes or 50 short minutes, and that will depend upon how much engagement we get from the floor. So I will be calling on you for questions. Please do your best to come up with them. Let me ask the floor to start with the other end and introduce yourselves. Please say your name, your company, a little bit about what qualifies you to be here today.
I'm Christophe Dolique, CEO of Fivory. So Fivory is a fintech company, as we said. We started 3.5 years ago. So we are providing a platform which combines in an application mobile payment plus CRM in order to enhance customer relationship, either in a retail environment or any type of commerce environment.
Hello, I'm Jonathan from Tricount. So Tricount is a little application that helps you organize group expenses whenever you go on trip with friends or live in a shared house and so on. We have almost 1 million users now, and I want to stress that I'm not a payment application per se, but I'm looking at partnering with payment applications. So I think it's pretty interesting to be here in a panel with payment partners.
Good morning, my name is Alon Feit. I'm the co-founder and president of Splitit. Splitit is a venture that enables any merchant around the globe to offer their shoppers ability to split the purchase into monthly interest-free payments using their existing credit cards without any credit application or credit check.
Hi, my name is Hugo. I'm the co-founder of an application called Pumpkin. We've been doing for the past 2.5 years peer-to-peer mobile payment. So basically, we enable our user to connect their bank account to the mobile application and all their contacts in order to send, receive money real time and for free. We have now gathered a community of 150,000 users, and we plan on continuing. We're mainly in France, a little bit in Belgium as well. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Juul from Denmark. I'm the founder of Cardlay. We have a card management platform where companies can issue, load, and manage all their cards in real time. And then we developed a full expense management system so that we see the transaction first and then you add the expenses, and have created strong processes onto the ERP systems. So everything's run in automation.
Very good. So thank you, everybody. The first question really relates to the enthusiasm we see globally for fintech. Clearly it is the next big thing, or it's already a big thing. There are many, many companies in this industry, and the real question I'm facing often is, we dream of great things at fintech, but is the reality that actually we'll end up simply with an awful lot of small niche players who will nibble away at big companies, businesses, and never really reach scale? So do we really expect any fintechs, unicorn or others, to reach the scale of a unicorn? Or do you think that actually that is naive to think that? Who would like to start?
I can start. Rules of nature. Of course, some will survive, some will die. We have great innovators, we have great technology, but sometimes you have great technology, but you can't find mass market for it. And sometimes you have kind of low technology, but the market is ready and there. So, you know, I see great future for a lot of innovative players, and we need that innovative players to push the legacy systems that we know of today So I see great future, but of course some will die.
But is the approach, is the ambition to become very big, or is it actually the ambition to just remain small and niche but very successful?
I think that niche versus a mass market is difficult because you want to create a strong business model. LinkedIn, when they started, and was it a niche to go for the corporates instead of going for the private people? And now it's kind of the strongest mass market product that we have. I see the same. You know, we have a extreme evolution within payment structures. So you will see some that you see small today will grow to great mass product in the future. And as a businessman, and this is not my first startup, I see that we have to build our companies because we believe in the idea and we believe there's a market for it. And sometimes it has to be niche to start up with, and then it can be developed to be a mass market product. And maybe we don't even know it and cannot see it yet, but we will see it in 3 years because the market developed that quickly.
Okay, further thoughts? Yes.
I think that the niche is not always in contradiction with mass. You can start as niche, do something pretty specific on the spectrum, but still want to reach mass on that niche.